If you are a Kubernetes practitioner and want to know how to build CI/CD pipelines with advanced release strategies such as blue-green deployments, progressive canaries with maybe automated rollbacks, all integrated with Prometheus and Grafana-based monitoring and analysis system, I have just the right program for you. Welcome to Ultimate Argo Bootcamp. This bootcamp would help you master the complete Argo suite of tools, namely Argo CD, Argo rollouts, Argo workflow events, and image updater. Why do we call it as a bootcamp? Well, in a typical course, you learn the concepts along with possibly hands-on labs, but with completely random set of exercises. Whereas with this bootcamp, the approach that we take, we help you understand how to implement that technology with a real world use case and a context. With a larger use case broken down into different segments, each segment being a project or a module which sets up the foundation for the next, and at the end of it you would have a pretty large sophisticated use case built that's how you learn and get ready for the real world. That's the approach that we take. That's why the bootcamp. Let's have a look at what you're gonna build as part of this bootcamp, the use case. After getting introduced to the Argo suite of tools, you will set up a 3-node Kubernetes environment with a tool called as Kind. That is the quickest, easiest, and the cheapest way to get started with a multi-node Kubernetes environment. Then you will set up Argo rollouts to replace Kubernetes deployments to implement blue-green deployment to the staging environment. Followed by that, you would set up a progressive canary deployment to production with traffic routing, which is integrated with Nginx ingress controller. Followed by that, you would automate the delivery and deployment to production and staging environments and implement the GitOps based principles with pull request models and Git based workflows to set up the automated continuous delivery. Followed by that, you will use Argo workflow and set up the workflow automation, this time to create a continuous integration pipeline and run it for the microservices application. Followed by that, you would set up Argo events and image updater to integrate Git with the CI pipeline so that your CI pipeline gets automatically triggered based on the Git events such as commit and push, and then CI and CD is connected by automatically updating the Kubernetes manifest in your Git repository on a new image published to the container registry. Finally, you will set up monitoring system with Prometheus and Grafana and start monitoring for Nginx metrics as well. And based on that, you would do automated analysis and run experiments to decide whether to progress with the release or roll back again automatically. This still remains an advanced bootcamp only for the folks who have prior working knowledge of Kubernetes and Docker, and also some familiarity with the CI/CD pipelines and the software delivery. Hi, I'm Gaurav Shah. I'm an author, a course creator, a corporate trainer, and the founder of School of DevOps. I'm on a mission to help 1 million IT professionals build real-world skills with my project-driven bootcamps. I look forward to welcome you inside my Ultimate Argo Bootcamp. Enroll now.